Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study law papers. First, begin by thoroughly outlining the main legal issues and all relevant facts presented in the case or problem. Next, clearly identify the specific legal questions that the paper aims to answer or discuss. Finally, ensure you fully understand all applicable laws, statutes, and any relevant legal precedents that form the foundation of the topic. This foundational step is crucial for effective analysis. Once you have the basics, it's time to dive deeper into analysis. Critically evaluate the strengths and weaknesses of each legal argument presented in the paper. Don't just accept them, question their logic and supporting evidence. Then, compare and contrast the different legal perspectives to understand the nuances. Finally, consider the broader policy implications of various potential outcomes, as this adds a crucial layer to your understanding. To truly master law papers, effective study strategies are key. Start by creating detailed outlines or mind maps for complex topics. Visual aids can significantly improve retention. Next, actively practice applying legal principles to various hypothetical scenarios to solidify your understanding and problem-solving skills. Regularly review and synthesize all the information you've learned. This consistent reinforcement is essential for long-term memory and deeper comprehension of legal concepts. For your final steps, focus on refining your understanding. Summarize the key takeaways from the paper and anticipate any potential counterarguments to strengthen your own position. Actively seek feedback on your understanding from peers or mentors. Their insights can be invaluable. Remember, continuous improvement is vital. Also, for some great deals, including a link to those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check out the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.